Guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back. You guys can already tell based on the thumbnail. Yes, it is time for another Cocotique unboxing review. Okay, so you all know that over here for the most part, the channel is based on hair care, both natural hair as well as wigs. However, I do dibble and dabble in a variety of things, hence the channel name Pandi's Hair Candy and more. Because it's always an and more with me. I do product reviews, TV show reviews, game nights, business entrepreneurial workshops. Um, did I say TV show reviews, trending topics, drop the link day? I also do featured member shout outs, featured channel member shout outs, and work alongside a couple of other content creators hosting a shout out show for our channel members and just a whole wide variety of other content here. But today's focus is all about Cocotique. Now, Cocotique is a monthly beauty box subscription that I have belonged to for almost a year and a half now. I've been having Cocotique for about a year and a half, almost 2 years. And I absolutely love this company. This company sends out beauty boxes each and every month with us melanated sisters specifically in mind. Particularly if you are a naturalista, you will particularly enjoy Cocotique. It is very nominal. It is $25 a month, and each month you get well over $25 worth of stuff. Now, the items can range anywhere from hair products to skincare products, but they're always products that you will definitely want to have in your beauty arsenal. Now, the beautiful thing is, in addition to sending you these specifically curated products each and every month, all at the convenience of home delivery, you actually get to earn Cocoa Hearts, which is their internal reward system. So if you're like me and you're a content creator or a beauty influencer, you're sharing your product reviews out on your social media platforms anyway, well, you can earn Cocoa Hearts, which can then turn around and be used to purchase future boxes or old boxes that you may have loved from a previous month. And all you're then responsible for paying for is your shipping. When I say this company is amazing, guys, it is amazing. So if you like what you see in here, be sure to visit the description box down below, because I do have a saver link in there where you can get a certain amount off of your first box. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to jump right into the July box. So each and every month, the founder and CEO does include what I like to call love notes. Can y'all see that beautiful graphic design, beautiful art? It's a little note that is enclosed in every box. And then, of course, on the back, there is the breakdown of everything in the box as well as the retail prices. So you will see you always get more than $25 worth of products. So let me just share what she put in this month's box. So this is the Cocotique plus Reshma Takeover box. Nourish your hair, skin, and soul. This month, I'm so excited to introduce you to Reshma's Beauty Summer Nourish collection. From head to your toes, I've curated a special assortment to nourish your hair, skin, and soul with the natural goodness of Reshma Beauty. As you pamper yourself, your senses will be enveloped in the beautiful scents and rituals of India. Imagine you've been transported to a lush tropical garden. Ooh, that sounds nice, in India. While enjoying this moment, say the following affirmation. I have beautiful, healthy skin and hair, and I make time to nourish my mind, body, and soul. I want to hear all about your experiences as you indulge in the beauty rituals of India. So please don't forget to share your love and let us know how you like your products on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Hugs and kisses, Dana Hill Robinson, founder and CEO. Is that not sweet? I swear it never gets old. I love to read the love notes because it just lets me know that, we're so much more than just a customer. She does take the time out to enclose these in each and every beauty box. And it just lets me know that I'm appreciated. My $25 is appreciated. I'm going to spend the $25 or more anyway buying myself some type of pamper me or self-care and wellness products anyway. So it just makes me feel that much better about the purchase. I love the I love the love notes, y'all. So now without further ado, I'm going to get into what's in this month's box. Okay? Oh my goodness. So let's see what we have here. Here is the first item I am grabbing out of the box. Can y'all see that? This is the Multani Midi Fuller's Earth Face Mask. Anti-aging and antioxidant properties. Detoxifies and deep cleanses. 100% natural. Now y'all know I'm here for that because your girl is 46. I will be 47 this October 2021, y'all. And I like to say 47 years young. But anything that's going to enhance my skin and purify and detoxify and help me keep my youthful radiance, I'm here for it, baby. I am so here for it. All right, so this is what's in the box. Can't wait to try this. Can't wait to try that. So let me move on to the next item because I don't want to prolong. I don't want y'all to be here too long. Set that down. The next item. Ooh, beautiful packaging. Can y'all see that? I think the lighting is blurting it out, but this is the Reshma Rose Water Toner. Revitalizing and refreshing. Now this product I'm familiar with because this came in another box and I love it. I use this every morning after I cleanse my face, after I've gone in with my astringent to close my pores. I just mist a little bit of the rose water toner onto my skin to actually tone things down. That's what a toner does. And it just gives your face this nice youthful, refreshing, toned look. Makes your skin nice and supple. So that's awesome. That's in 6.7 fluid ounces. Okay, so we got the rose water toner. What's next? Ooh. Oh my goodness. I don't think my camera's doing it any justice on the words. This is 100% natural, henna infused 5 exotic nourishing oils for hair and skin. Normal. And this is a new product to the line. It's sealed, so. That smells really good. I can't wait to try that out. Henna infused. So it says that some of the benefits are it adds luster, shine, body, and volume to hair, makes your hair soft, shiny, silky, strong, and smooth. It is a blend of 5 exotic nourishing oils. Keeps your hair healthy, nourished, and glistening. Softens and conditions your skin. Minimizes wrinkles, penetrates the skin without clogging the pores. So I will definitely give this a try as well. I'll probably try it on my skin first because I'm a little skeptical about the hair, but I will give it a shot. Yes. Next item. Ooh, now I'm familiar with this. This also came in a box from last year. This is the Kale rejuvenating and brightening face wash. It detoxifies and illuminates. Oh my God, you guys. When I had this last year, I used it every day along with the moisturizer that it came with. And the moisturizer was actually a gel. And that was so strange to me because I was so used to a moisturizer being a cream base. But it really, really did my skin well. And kale is good for you. It's good for the skin. It's good for the body. So I'm excited about that. Okay. Let's see. Next item in the box. Ooh. Wow. Now this is a new one. I didn't get this one before. Also from that line. This is the peel off mask. Also kale. And it says that it's detoxifying and rejuvenating. Helps remove blackheads. Helps boost glow. Wow. This particular line, they've included a couple of times this Reshma in previous boxes, and I've never had any problems, and I have very sensitive skin. I've never had any breakouts or anything, by the way. Just thought I'd add that because some of you might be wondering. So I'm excited about trying these new products. Let's see. Ooh. The next item is... Uh-oh, we're sticking with that kale theme. So this is the scrub. Wow. It's kale, and it says that it detoxifying and refreshing, helps clear breakouts and even skin tone. So I do tend to get dark circles under my eyes, partly because my behind be up late and don't go to sleep when I should, but I digress. So I'm excited about trying this product as well, guys. So it looks like this month's box is all about the skincare, which is awesome because I have a ton of hair products from them. And here is the last item from this box. Oh, how cute is that? You know what this is, guys? This is a miniature rose water toner. Oh my God. So it's this, but in a little mini. How adorable. Purse size or pocket size. Now let me mention, y'all. Is it on here? So rose water helps restore natural pH balance and moisture, which helps maintain young and fresh looking skin. It helps to alleviate skin irritation and aids the relief of sunburn symptoms with a cooling sensation. Now, the ingredients are rose petal extracts along with other ingredients. So that is awesome. Now, let's take a look at the love note. For the contents of this month's box, this is the Reshma Beauty Nourish collection. The Kale Face Wash. The Kale Face Wash. It retails for $6.99. It is 5.7 fluid ounces. The Kale Scrub retails at $6.99, 5.7 fluid ounces. The Peel Off Mask retails at $5.99, also 5.7 fluid ounces. The Rose Water Toner retails at $7.99. It's in 6.76 fluid ounces. The Meaty Mask retails at $7.99 and it's in 2.12 ounces. The Henna Serum Oil. Wow. Oh my goodness. This retails at $9.99. Okay. And then of course, this was just a special gift, the little mini rose water toner. They also include a 20% off discount if you want to go directly to Reshma beauty.com. It expires September 30th, and purchase other items. So that's the other beautiful thing about Cocotique. They collab with all of these companies to where you can purchase and use special discount codes to get a discount when placing your order. So as you guys can see, well over $25 worth of products. I cannot wait to pamper my skin. This would have been perfect for the July spa day. Oh my goodness. But don't fret. I will definitely use these on my skin and come back and revisit and show you guys how my skin is holding up and let you know what these products are doing for me and how they're working out for me. You guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. Again, if you are interested in trying out Cocotique, visit the description box down below and utilize my personal discount code. There's a link there that you can save some money off your first box. I assure you that you will not be disappointed. I always get excited when I receive my Cocotique box in the mail. It is just like a special treat because I work hard. I play hard. So I deserve to get little things to pamper myself with. And the beautiful thing about Cocotique is each and every month I'm able to try different items. You all know if you're natural, it's sometimes challenging trying to find the right products that are going to work for your hair type. You know, depending on your porosity level, depending on your elasticity, how well your hair retains moisture, all of those things come into play. So with Cocotique, you're able to kind of try this. If that doesn't work, try this. That doesn't work. And, you know, figure out what's the best combination for you. And then if you like, you can go back and use those CoCorewards to order those products again. Or you can go directly to that manufacturer's website using a discount code from Cocotique and get a huge savings. So it is a win-win, guys. I'm Pandi, y'all, of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this latest Cocotique unboxing. If you have enjoyed this commentary, please don't forget to blow dry on that like button, or in other words, give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe. It is free 99. It doesn't cost you anything. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.